In today's video, I'm going to teach you which is better, Basecamp versus ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to open and explore both platforms side by side, what each one looks like in everyday use, and how to decide which tool fits your team and workflow best. Let's start by getting both apps open so you can follow along. Open your browser. Chrome works great, but use whatever you prefer, and head to clickup.com. Press enter, then look to the top right and click Log In. Enter your login details to get into your workspace. If this is your first time in ClickUp, don't worry. We're going to stick to the essentials so you can get a feel for how it's organized. Next, open a new browser tab and go to basecamp.com. Press enter, click Login, and sign in with your credentials. Having both tools open at once makes it much easier to compare them. If you can, place the tabs side by side so you can switch back and forth quickly as we walk through the features. Inside ClickUp, look to the left sidebar and click Home. This view gives you a quick picture of what needs attention today: your tasks, reminders, and anything assigned to you. It's a helpful way to ground yourself before you dive into projects. From there, click Spaces on the same sidebar and select a space. Think of a space as a container for a department, a client, or a major initiative. Once you're inside a space, open a list. A list is a structured grouping of tasks, great for campaigns, sprints, or any set of related work. It's flexible, but still keeps everything tidy. Within that list, click the plus sign next to View to explore how you can see your work differently. You'll see options like List, Board, Gantt, and Calendar. List shows items in rows, perfect for detailed task management. Board displays work as cards you can move between columns, which is ideal if your team likes a Kanban-style flow. Gantt shows dependencies and timelines, giving you a broader project plan and a feel for how tasks stack across time. Calendar lays out tasks by date, so you can spot what's due this week or month at a glance. You can switch between these views depending on what you're trying to understand, and it all reflects the same underlying tasks. Back in the sidebar, click Docs. This opens ClickUp's built-in documents where you can create or access project notes, briefs, or checklists without leaving the app. It's handy for keeping context close to the work, whether you're drafting a plan or capturing meeting notes right next to the tasks that bring it to life. Now jump over to Basecamp. At the top, click Home. You'll see everything you have access to and a clean overview of your projects. Click into a project, something like My Project, so we can see how work is organized inside. Basecamp uses a simple, modular layout that keeps communication and tasks in neat buckets. Start with To-Dos. This is where you create task lists, assign owners, and set due dates. It's intentionally straightforward so you can quickly capture what needs to happen without getting lost in settings. Next, open the message board. This is where announcements, decisions, and project updates live. Instead of scattering updates across random chats, the message board keeps posts in a tidy timeline that's easy to reference later. Click Docs and Files to store and organize your important materials, documents, images, and other assets your team needs to complete the work. Then check out Chat for real-time conversations. It's great for quick check-ins and day-to-day coordination. Finally, open Schedule to see important dates and milestones tied to the project. In Basecamp, each section has a clear purpose, and switching between them is effortless. So, which one should you choose? It comes down to how much structure you need and how complex your projects are. Choose ClickUp if you want advanced project management features like Gantt charts, boards, and timelines that give you multiple ways to plan and track progress. It shines when you need customization, things like custom fields, tailored statuses, and automations that reduce manual work. If dashboards and reporting matter to you, ClickUp's built-in analytics make it easier to monitor workload, progress, and outcomes. And because it includes integrated docs, time tracking, and workflow tools, you can keep planning, documentation, and execution tightly connected. This setup is best for teams running complex projects, juggling multiple workflows, and planning to scale their operations over time. On the other hand, choose Basecamp if you want simple, reliable project communication in a familiar layout. It combines to-dos, team chat, and docs in one place, without overwhelming you with settings. The interface is minimal and no frills by design, which means less onboarding and fewer distractions. If you're a small team, a startup, or you handle straightforward task lists and internal communication, Basecamp gives you clarity and speed. It's especially comfortable if your work revolves around staying aligned, sharing updates, and checking off tasks without needing deep configuration. To sum it up, ClickUp emphasizes depth and control with powerful planning views and customization, making it ideal for teams that need to design their own process and track it closely. Basecamp emphasizes clarity and calm, offering a cohesive space to talk about the work, share what's important, and get it done with minimal overhead. If you're still undecided, log into both as we did today, tour the core areas, and pay attention to how each one feels for your team's day-to-day rhythm. The right choice is the one that makes your work easier to see, easier to discuss, and easier to complete. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.